to the channel. I'm Dee, your obsessed bestie that loves all things on sale. So in today's video, I'm actually going to pack with you guys. So I'm headed out of town and I wanted to show you guys how we actually pack everything in our carry-on. So whenever we travel, we never check a bag, like ever. Even when we went to Aruba for 5 days, we did not check a bag. We haven't checked a bag in years, maybe like 6 years. We always do carry-ons, and I wanted to just film a video to like show you guys how you can also pack carry-ons instead of checking a bag every time you go to the airport. So we do have TSA pre-check, so it's always, you know, like a seamless transition when we go, because you know you don't have to take out computers, laptops, anything like that, take off your shoes or anything like that. You just slide everything in and you just go, you know, just go with the wind. So we find it super convenient to travel with just carry-ons because we don't have to wait for them to load the check bags, wait for that. It's just a whole lot of, I ain't got time for that. I don't have time for that. And so I'm gonna show you. So first I'm gonna start off with these bags. So these are the bags that I purchased. I get these from Amazon. You could probably get them from Walmart, Target, whatever. It comes with a pump here, excuse me, it comes with a pump here. So basically what I do is I stuff this full, like to capacity, all of my outfits. So as you can see, let me show y'all my suitcase. Now this trip is a challenge and I wanted to show you guys and film this because where we're going is super cold, so I'm gonna need to dress in layers. So I have coats, I have boots, I have shoes, I have like a whole lot of things that I'm packing. So I wanted to show you guys how I'm gonna get all of this into my suitcase, because Marcus is like, D, I don't think you're gonna be able to do this. So I'm gonna prove all of y'all wrong. I'm prove him wrong, I'm prove y'all wrong, I'm prove myself wrong, because this is a lot of clothes. So yeah, let me show y'all. No judgment, okay? No judgment, because it's late and I need to be finished packing and I'm not, so y'all bear with me. Okay, so y'all already seen my my traveling toiletry. I've showed this a lot on my channel. This comes in, it just comes like, it's just amazing. Like I can't really say much about it, but it's amazing. We have like toothpaste, toothbrushes, makeup wipes. I have my perfume, my small perfume, my deodorant. I have my makeup in one of them, and then I have like my vitamins, just in case I get sick. I have my soap, everything that you can carry on to your carry-on. So you know that you can't have, I think it's more than 3.5 ounces of liquid on your carry-on. I think a lot of people, they kind of get discouraged because you know they want to bring so much on, but you can bring a lot of liquids on. They just have to be the size that is required. So just keep that in mind. That shouldn't stop you from just doing your carry-on. So I still have to pack this. This time I am packing Marcus, his deodorant and all of his stuff in my toiletries. Normally he has his own toiletry bag, but for this trip I guess I'm gonna pack all of our stuff in this. So I'm still, this is like my last thing that I double check on. I have wipes too. Yeah, I have my wet ones. Let me put them in right now. I do not want to forget that. So yeah, this I typically pack last because these are like my last minute items, and just like I need to make sure that I have these items. So I'm just gonna set this aside while we prepare to pack. Y'all ready? Okay, first let me show y'all the suitcase. Y'all look at this. I got these shoes to pack. Them, y'all, there's shoes underneath this. This is a coat. This is a cardigan. Y'all, these are my night clothes. Y'all, can we just go ahead and get into it really quick here? So, y'all, let me take a before picture. So that is where I'm at. So now, basically what I'm going to do is I am going to take all of my outfits out of the suitcase. And I'm just going to make sure that I'm not forgetting any items here. And I'm just going to sit the outfits out where they should go. Y'all, look at this. I have... I can't believe this. I don't know how I'm going to pack this. Y'all, we about to see if we going to pack this. Okay. Yeah. So... I have my night clothes, y'all. So do y'all think I'm gonna be able to pack all this stuff? Because I don't really know that I'm gonna be able to pack it. So I don't know. I'm gonna put my night clothes over here. Oh, I don't need this anymore, so don't have to pack that. So cute. Y'all, I purchased these from Target like maybe last year or the year before that. And then y'all know I found these at Target too. A little cute matching PJs. So yeah, I'm folding all of this. So let me just go ahead and fast forward this really quick here. Laid out all of my stuff, as you can see. Let me push you guys back a little bit. It doesn't even look like a lot of stuff, y'all. Oh my god, I have toboggans. Oh my god, 3 pair of shoes here. I have 3 shoes, this one and this one. So the trick is to find outfits that you can wear. Like these boots, I'm gonna probably wear like twice. And I am gonna wear my blazers like once, maybe, probably. But the trick is to find like outfits that can match all of your shoes, because your shoes is the most important part of packing, is because your shoes gonna take up most of the space. So be prepared for that. So make sure that your shoes, they go with all of your outfits. So I can switch these up a little bit and they'll still work out. So now I have my bag and I am going to stuff it. I'm trying to see what I want to stuff first. I'm gonna just go ahead and, did y'all see that this big coat I'm about to stuff in here? Did y'all see that? Wait till y'all see my birthday outfit. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, y'all can't even see. Let me show y'all. Look, it's already half of the size. So you want to make sure that you're stuffing it completely down. This is gonna make sure that it's not super wrinkled when you loosen it up. So just make sure you stuff them really good. So, look, y'all, the bag is almost full. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? I'm also taking a book bag as well. So, y'all, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Look at this, y'all. Will y'all look at this? I have another jacket. Help me, Jesus, help me. Maybe I should pack my, well, no, I need to pack my big stuff first, so. Oh gosh, well, maybe I could do this. Okay. Then I have this. And then I'll do this. Put that in there like that. Y'all, how in the world? I still have just my nightwear and my underwear, which probably I can probably try to put that in my bag, my book bag. So now I'm gonna close it. They do come with like the seal, but I lost them when I was on my trip in Aruba. I can't find them. I need to like take the time to really find them. But and it's okay if you have like bubbles inside of them in the bag, because like not bubbles but air. It's okay because we are going to suck that air out with the pump. But it is super important that if you use these bags, definitely make sure you make sure that this part is sealed, because you do not want it to come open. So make sure that is sealed. So I'm just gonna come. Alright, and so you just unscrew this part, and then you put your pump here, turn it, and now you just pump. Now as I'm pumping, you will see that it starts to get really tight. It starts to get really, really tight. So before it gets too tight, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this in my suitcase. So let me move this out of the way. Alright, it's my suitcase, y'all. Marcus normally does this part. I'm not a fan of this part because it's a lot of pumping, some manual work. I'm not a fan of this part at all. But as it starts to go down, you're gonna see me form. Like, I want to make sure that it's forming so it can fit in. So as you can see, it's forming here. So y'all, look how big this is. I can't believe how big this is. Make sure it's all the way in here. Make sure this side is all the way in, and it's coming up here. All right. I'm just gonna make sure that it's fitting to the actual suitcase. So let me go back to doing this here. Marcus does this really fast, y'all. I'm doing it really slow. This is a lot. But you can see that it's going down, and it's like forming where I'm like sending it to go. So okay. You can do this. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. Alright, I think this is like good. This is good. All right, I think this is good. If not, I'll probably have Marcus do it, because all right, so I'm gonna put, like, I still have space in here, so I'm gonna speed it up a little bit because I'm gonna place my underwear here, and y'all don't want to see my underwear because, you know, I might have some sexy grandma drawers in there. So let me put them in there real quick and I'll be back. All right guys, so I wanted to jump back up here because I'm tired. I am getting sleepy. So this is what we have so far. I cannot zip in this, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. And as you can see, I have my boots over here, and then I have my carry-on right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably going to wear these to the airport. I didn't want to, but I'm gonna just go ahead and wear them to the airport. And my coat, my big coat, to the airport. And yeah, the only thing I have left is really my electronics. My vlogging camera, my iPad over there that you can't see, some curling irons that I'm gonna put in my backpack, and then I think I'm gonna be all set to go. Yes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be all set to go once I have all of that. And I think that I'm all packed here. So I hope this video was super helpful for those of you that have been wanting to like carry on instead of check a bag. I highly recommend, 10 out of 10, the best way to travel is only carry on. So don't forget to come back. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Even if you didn't, I mean, we don't need negative energy, so like the video anyway, set your notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.